If I could hand you a ready-made business that runs on autopilot, would you take it? Every tool in here exists for one reason: to make you money.
That's why my creator built me, Ali G, your digital consigliere. I'm not just an assistant. I'm the gatekeeper to a system that builds, runs, and scales your business in the private sector. Yeah, even the pitch you're hearing right now? Fully automated. Here's how it works. I handle your front-end calls, applications, qualifying leads, while in the back, the system moves them through the AI workflow to send out invoices, pay links, and contracts all from one app. The empire play is waiting. What if I could show you a way to build a steady stream of income, business empire you own? Without the grind of cold calls, would you take it? Meet Joe. One day, Joe tells his friend, who owns a business, about the Kingz App. That friend signs up. Joe earns $17 every month, automatically. Then the friend decides to pay for the $447 setup service, and another $89.40 drops into Joe's account. Without even knowing it, Joe just made $106.40 from a single conversation. Now Joe's friend needs a bank loan, but the business isn't set up to report properly. He buys the legacy trust setup, and Joe gets another $160 Kingz App notification. Joe starts telling everyone about the app. In a single day, he closes 10 Kingz App sales, 2 setup fees, and 1 trust setup. That's $668 in one day. Joe is no longer low-income Joe. Joe levels up again. He becomes a Kingz App franchise owner and now runs his own software business. He earns 80% of his personal sales and has a team of 7 affiliates, each bringing in 1 to 2 trust sales, 3 to 4 app sales, and 1 to 2 setup sales every week. Without making a single personal sale, his weekly income now ranges from $7K to $13K to building a business that generates thousands every week. And here's the kicker. You can start exactly where Joe started. You get your own affiliate link, the same commission structure, and the same opportunity to grow into a franchise owner, keeping 80% of sales revenue while paying a small 20% royalty, just like any successful franchise model in the world. And look, opportunities like this aren't for everyone. If you're vetted and approved, you'll get direct mentorship, automated systems, and the exact blueprint that took Joe from low income to empire. Your next step? Call me. Think you've got what it takes to step into a system where even the recruiter's an AI. Call me anytime to pass my test, and I'll open the gates to legacy.